Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Got a call from Byron last night. Yesterday morning when he started this car up, man, it sounded like it was missing really bad. And last night he said the mileage is down under 15 miles to the gallon and it's running like crap. So I'm going to check this out. Probably run over to Andrew's, borrow his Vita, and go do a couple other errands. But I'm going to see what's going on here first. Sounds like the exhaust is loose, amongst other things. ETS light. It says 15 miles to empty, but it's getting 14.3 miles to the gallon. Check engine, anti-skid. ABS, parking, service. Doesn't sound like it's misfiring though. So I think I'm gonna attack the ETS this afternoon. Pull the ETM, rebuild it with one of those rebuild kits and see if that fixes it. Sounds like that exhaust. I'm gonna scan the code with my standard scanner. Time for me to start planning some love for Lucille here. But I need to figure out why this tire is losing air. So I'm gonna pull it, take it to Discount Tires, let them fool with that. And then I gotta get this car sorted out. I need to get a corner light for it over there. Need to get a fender for it here. I got a door for it there. Rocker panel for it I already have. I need to get this thing straightened out and into somebody else's hands. What's that back there? Oh, that's the rear wing. Some engine parts. Man, I was looking for that exhaust. So, and I got door locks for it, so that it can have all the same door locks. Yeah. I need to get this thing sorted out. Hey, there's some cams I was looking for. I wonder if those are the NA cams or the turbo cams. Man, I gotta figure out where I got stuff stashed away nowadays. It's an intake manifold. I'm assuming it's a turbo one. But yeah, let me knock this stuff off the back of these cams, see if they're NA or turbo cams. Then I got a couple of exhaust manifolds here. My guess is they're just... Oh man, there's that IPD anti-sway bar I was looking for Dan the Man. I could take that up there to him. Oh man, let me get a grip on this stuff. Need to jack this car up, get this tire out. And the jack is jacked up. See, the tip of it's closed. I'm gonna pry that open with the screwdriver there. And I set it on the jack stand for a couple hours and I got something behind the wheel on the other side. Stop it from rolling. Believe it or not, folks, I was today years old. The first time I ever entered an IKEA home furnishing store. I know y'all probably don't believe it, but it's true. Going in here to check out some chairs. So IKEA has a work area. Can't get a good view of that. Work area. Work IKEA. Dozens of chairs. I've sat on a few of them for more than 5 minutes or so. And this little chair over here looks like an office chair. Kind of fits me the best. 119 bucks. Feels comfortable. The only thing I don't like about it is that it only locks in the upright position. You unlock the upright position and you can kind of rock in it, but you can't relock it in a more relaxed, laid back position. Like some of these gaming style chairs, but these don't feel as good to me as this one does. It comes in black, beige, and this darker brown. So here's the black version. There's the darker brown version. And the beige version is over there, but I'll never buy a beige chair. I'm too dirty most of the time, so let me rest on this and go to Columbus Monday and see how those super nice chairs are in Columbus. Feel like a mouse had walked through some maze. Man, that was exhausting. I don't know what to say. I need to go take a nap. But I'm going to go back over to Discount Tire, see if they got my leak fixed. Then go over Tony's, do a ABS module, then go over Andrews, pick up a couple things, and head back home. Almost forgot. I had a tire to put back on this car. Let me do that before I go in the house, take care of some other stuff. Here it is. They found a bad valve stem. So let me get this on here, get this car back on the ground where it's safe, and go find something else to do. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.